Okay, I'm gonna head out. I spent yesterday lying down. I didn't go anywhere. And today I spent the whole day lying down. So it is like, I don't know, 6:30, 7 o'clock. And I am gonna go out now. So my legs were not working yesterday after the mountain climb. Yeah, that was tough. I woke up yesterday and my legs did not function. Today they didn't function either, so it's like 2 days it didn't function, and now I feel a little bit better, so I'm going for a walk, see how it is. I'm gonna go to an IKEA. IKEA is close by, so let's go check that out. I just remembered I forgot my hat, and I don't want to walk back. I don't want to walk double, so I'm gonna go without my hat. So it's a no hat Asian guy today. The hotel I booked. This street is busy. It's like a pedestrian street. There's a lot of food. Yeah, I didn't record it earlier. I didn't bring my camera out, but I did eat Bafang. No, Dongfang. No, Dongbak. Yeah, Dongbak Gaozi. So I did have some dumplings. And I also ate my chicken burger. I learned how to do delivery. So I was so hurt. My legs. I decided to order from the app. So I did it before. I could order from the app, but I haven't used it for months. I ordered my first delivery. And it was my chicken burger place. I'm gonna just chill out at IKEA. Look at this, everyone's doing the same thing. Look, everyone in IKEA chilling out for the air conditioning. That is why I came. Yeah, everyone's doing it. I'm doing it too. I'm gonna sit down right here. Ooh. Oh, that's so good. I feel like I'm at home. Come for the air conditioning. It's so cool in IKEA. It's nice. Okay. I spent maybe 20 minutes sitting down. The aircon cooled my body down, so it's perfect. I'm gonna explore IKEA. Come explore China's IKEA with me. Spaghetti and meatballs in IKEA. That was the smallest IKEA ever. I thought the store would be bigger, but that's it. So I'm gonna walk around upstairs. I'm gonna see if there's anything on the top floor, all you can eat. I've been sitting here for a while and I ordered something to eat to get delivered to the hotel, but I forgot something. I forgot I shouldn't be eating at night. I placed the order and then I was like, oh shoot, I might get heartburn after I eat. Ah! So that's it for my day. I'm just gonna go back to the hotel and eat my tasty burger. Yeah. I got delivery, so I'm gonna eat at the hotel. And I just saw the ice cream, but I can't eat that. I've been eating too much today. I didn't film it earlier, but I had some dumplings. Yeah. So if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, comment, do whatever. All right. Good night. Or I might film. Maybe I'll film me eating. But if I don't, good night.